Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can easily apply this ghost effect on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to use this. I'll just zoom in a little bit on it so you can see. Go to the effects section and you're going to select the body effects here. It should be in mood, but if you can't find it in the mood section, just type in the departing soul and press enter, and you're going to select the effect and you're going to place it. You can adjust the strength, you can adjust the speed, and you can also delete the stickers if you'd like to, so it will only show that like departing soul, that ghost effect. There's also another way you can do it. Let me just delete this. Go to video effects and type in astral. And you can also apply that one, which is kind of similar to the ghost effect. But if you want to just like do it once, just place it here and place the speed to the left so it's lower, and you're just going to cut it so it only appears once. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!